Here's how to fix missing MSVCP140.dll file. First, open your internet browser and search for the official Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable download page. Once you're on the Microsoft page, scroll down until you find the x86 and x64 download options. Start by downloading the x86 version. Once the download is complete, open the file from your Downloads folder. Depending on your system, you may see either an install or repair option. If you see install, click on it and allow a few moments for Windows to repair the Visual C++ files. If you see install instead, follow the installation process. Once that process is complete, close the error message if it's still showing, and then download the x64 version from the same Microsoft page. Open the x64 installer and, once again, select if that option is available. Give it a few moments to finish repairing the required files. After both versions have been repaired or installed, close the window and restart your computer. Once Windows starts again, check whether the MSVCP140.dll error has been resolved. If you're still getting the same error, you can try the second method. Open your browser again and search for MSVCP140.dll download. Then press enter. If you're missing a different DLL file, simply replace the file name in the search with the name of the file shown in your error message. From the search results, open the DLL download website from the top result, then scroll down until you reach the download section. Before downloading anything, you need to determine whether your version of Windows is 64-bit or 32-bit. To check this, open the Start menu, search for System Information, and open it. Inside the System Information window, look for System Type. If it shows x64-based PC, you're running the 64-bit version. If it shows x86-based PC, you're using the 32-bit version. Once you've confirmed your system type, close the System Information window and return to the download page. Select the version that matches your system and click Download. After a few moments, the file should download as a zip archive. Open your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and select Extract All. Then click Extract to unpack the files. Once the extracted folder opens, locate the DLL file, right-click it, and select Copy. The next steps are the same regardless of whether you're using 32-bit or 64-bit Windows. Open File Explorer, select your C drive, and open the Windows folder. Scroll down until you find System32, then double-click it to open the folder. Inside, right-click an empty area and select Paste to copy the DLL file into this location. If Windows asks whether you want to replace an existing file, select Replace the file in the destination and then click Continue. If you're running the 32-bit version of Windows, that's all you need to do. The DLL file has now been placed in the required location, so you can check whether the error has been resolved. However, if you're using 64-bit Windows, go back to the Windows folder, scroll down, and open syswow64. Inside this folder, right-click an empty area and select Paste again. If you receive the replacement confirmation, choose Replace the file in the destination, then click Continue to give Windows permission to complete the process. Once the DLL file has been copied into both required folders, the MSVCP140.dll error should be resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.